cut a healthy leaf from the aloe vera plant. Wash the leaf under running tap water. Slice the leaf into pieces. Cut the thorns on both sides of the aloe vera pieces. Take a bowl of water and put the aloe vera slices in it. Let it soak for 10 minutes. After that, wash the pieces under running tap water. Now cut the top green part. Insert the knife to extract the gel. Store the gel in an airtight container. You can either use a plastic or glass container, but make sure that it is airtight. Put them in refrigerator. You can store and use this for up to 10 days. Use this for face and hair packs. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.